What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And today, guys, I'm doing something unusual, but something I believe is very necessary, right? We're going to talk about crypto taxes, right? A lot of people ask me about taxes. Now, I want to state upfront that I am not a tax advisor. I'm not a CPA. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm none of those things. I'm just going to cover some information with you that I believe is from a credible source. And we're going to go over this information together. Hopefully, it'll be very helpful for you all, and it'll be helpful for me as well. Now, before I jump right into it, I do want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you could be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, let's get right into it. Hold up. Y'all know what I'm about to say. The merch is coming. The merch is coming. The merch is coming, right? You know the date is now, November the 19th. That's Friday, guys. Get ready to purchase your merch. You're going to support me, support the channel, and support everything that we're doing. But also, you're going to be entered into a crypto giveaway. First 100 people who purchase merch from the store, they're going to be entered into a drawing for a crypto giveaway, guys, and that's going to be absolutely phenomenal. We're going to be releasing the details of that giveaway on Friday as well. So you guys stay tuned, stay locked into my channel. Make sure that you are subscribed, right? Now, before I jump into everything else, I just want to let you know that I appreciate you guys, man. I appreciate you all with everything in me. I'm telling you right now, I really appreciate the love. I know you could be anywhere, but you're here with me. All right, let's get into it. I know you guys are tired of that. So let's jump into it right now. We're going to talk about understanding crypto taxes. Now, I want to be straight up and upfront. I pulled this information directly from Coinbase, as you see right here, and I'll drop the link to this article in the description so that you guys can go in and look at it for yourself. This is not any proprietary information of my own. I want to give credit to Coinbase where credit is due. Coinbase, this is your information. Don't come after me, please, right? I just want to share with the people exactly what 2020 crypto taxes are going to look like. I'm sorry, 2021. I said 2020, but 2021 crypto taxes are going to look like. First of all, guys, I want to let you know, here's what it says up front, which I think stood out to me, was that U.S. taxpayers are required to report crypto sales, conversions, payments, and income to the IRS and state authorities where applicable. And each of these transactions has different tax implications. In this article, you'll learn when your crypto is taxed and how your activity might affect your taxes. Now, they even said, first things first, Coinbase does not provide tax advice. Nobody's giving you all tax advice. Do not come back to this video and say, I did everything because of what you said. I'm not giving you advice. Please seek the counsel of a CPA, a tax person, tax attorney, whatever you want to do to make sure that you make the right moves as far as taxes goes, right? But let's find out about these taxes. A lot of people want to know, do I owe taxes? One of the first things that you need to know is that there are taxable events and there are non-taxable events, right? So let's talk about, first and foremost, what are some of the non-taxable events? And they very boldly highlighted that here. And I want to go over these with you guys so we can be clear on these together. The first one is buying crypto with cash and holding it. Just buying and owning crypto isn't taxable on its own. The tax is often incurred later on when you sell and its gains are realized. So guys, holders, hodlers, whatever you want to call yourselves, if you're buying cryptocurrency and you're holding it, they're saying that this is not a taxable event, right? It's not until you sell it and you actually make some money off of it that it becomes a taxable event. Donating crypto to a qualified tax-exempt charity for nonprofit. If you give crypto directly to a 501c3 charitable organization, right, you may be able to claim a charitable deduction, right? So that is actually really good. Receiving a gift. If you're lucky enough to get crypto as a gift, you're not likely to incur tax until you sell or participate in another taxable activity like staking that crypto that you received as a gift. Giving a gift. How thoughtful. You could give up to $15,000 per recipient per year without paying taxes. and higher amounts to spouses. If your gift exceeds $15,000 per recipient, you'll need to file a gift tax return, which generally does not result in any current tax liability. If you transfer crypto to someone else outside of a purchase for goods or services, it may count as a gift even if you didn't mean it that way. Okay? So that's one other thing, giving a gift, right? Here's another one, transferring crypto to yourself. If you're transferring crypto between wallets and accounts you own, it isn't taxable. You can transfer over your original cost basis and date acquired to continue tracking your potential tax impact for when you eventually sell that crypto, okay? Taxable as capital gains. This is what's taxable as capital gains. So we moved on. We just covered the things that are not taxable or the non-taxable events, but here's a taxable event as capital gains. Selling your crypto for cash. Did you sell your crypto for US dollars? You'll owe taxes if you sell your assets for more than you paid for them. If you sell at a loss, you may be able to deduct that loss on your taxes. That's a good thing about cryptocurrency. Converting one crypto to another. When you use Bitcoin to buy Ether, for example, you technically have to sell your Bitcoin before you buy a new asset. Because this is a sale, the IRS considers it taxable. You'll owe taxes if you sold your Bitcoin for more than you paid for it. All right, spending crypto on goods and services. If you use your Bitcoin to buy pizza, for example, you are likely to owe taxes on the transaction. To the IRS, spending crypto isn't that much different from selling it. You need to sell the asset before it can be exchanged for a good or service, and selling crypto makes it subject to capital gains, okay? Taxable as income. If you're getting paid in crypto, NFL offensive tackle Russell Okung, I believe it is, was one of the few big names to take their paychecks in Bitcoin in 2021, and he's likely paying income tax on it. If you followed Okung's lead and you were paid in crypto by your employer, your crypto will be taxed as compensation according to your income tax bracket. Getting crypto in exchange for goods or services. If you accept crypto in payment for good or services, you are responsible for reporting it as income to the IRS. Mining crypto. If you minted it, well, I'm sorry, I said minted. If you mined crypto, you are likely to owe taxes on your earnings based on the fair market value, often the price of the mined coins at the time that they were received. Crypto mined as a business is taxed as a self-employment income. Earning staking rewards. Staking rewards are treated like mining proceeds. Taxes are based on the fair market value of your rewards the day that you receive them. Earning other income. You might earn a return by holding certain cryptocurrencies. This is also considered taxable income. Getting crypto from a hard fork. And taxes on crypto you got from a hard fork depend on on how you use the asset and when it's available for you to withdraw from the exchange, and more, right? There's some other guidance on that here. Getting an airdrop. A lot of us have received different airdrops. You might receive airdrops from crypto company as a part of marketing campaign or giveaway. Getting an airdrop is taxable as income, and you'll need to report the amount to your taxes. So receiving other incentives of rewards. Is it comprehensive? There are a variety of reasons why you might receive free crypto, and these can include rewards from Coinbase Earn, or incentives like getting $5 in Bitcoin for referring a friend to a crypto exchange. Regardless, you'll need to report this as income. Now, good information for hodlers, right? If you're holding crypto, there's no immediate gain or loss, so the crypto is not taxed. Tax is only incurred when you sell the asset and you subsequently receive either cash or units of other cryptocurrency. At this point, you have realized the gains and you have a taxable event. So guys, look, let's talk about this, right? So I know a lot of us, we've earned crypto, we've gained crypto, all of those types of things, and you can use this as like a guide, right? That you can actually go through, that you can look at for what is taxable and what is not, how you should be reporting this. Now, I will suggest that you do find a qualified CPA who's experienced with cryptocurrency. Now, that may be kind of difficult with the newness of cryptocurrency. The government really hasn't even figured these things out. The IRS is still trying to figure out what they're going to do with cryptocurrency. So there's a lot that's going on with this right now, guys. So I want you guys to stay in the know, seek the advice of a professional, but understand what are the taxable events and what are the non-taxable events, because then you can actually really see how you want to move and you can move accordingly. Like, I hold a lot of money in crypto, so I am a holder. Right, I'm a hodler. A lot of people call it in the space, but I hold a lot of money in cryptocurrency because of the fact that I'm a hodler and I don't pay taxes on it because I'm just holding it, and I like to hold it in an anonymous wallet. That's what I like to do, right? And so those are things that you could do if you're just holding cryptocurrency. Just hold the cryptocurrency, right? Buy it for cash and hold it if you want to do that. So that's a good thing for you right there. There's some other things that you should know about cryptocurrency and about holding cryptocurrency, and we could talk about that at another time. But this is absolutely phenomenal that we do have these options with cryptocurrency. Now, how much do I owe in taxes? So it looks like some of your crypto activity is taxable. What now? You can estimate how much you'll owe in taxes by calculating your income or your gains and losses. But here's what that means. Calculating crypto income. If you're a U.S. taxpayer, you're probably used to seeing federal and state income tax deducted from your pay stubs. The crypto you receive as income, like mining, staking, and rewards, is also subject to these taxes, which generally will not have already been deducted or withheld. When you report it, you will generally owe according to the income tax rate appropriate to your tax bracket. Word of caution: if you earn a lot from crypto activity, it might affect what tax bracket you're in, and you may end up paying a higher tax rate on some of your earnings. But you could definitely visit irs.gov for the latest guidance on federal income taxes. Now, to calculate the amount you gain or loss, you'll first need to know how much crypto you started with. This is called your cost basis. Now, when you buy crypto, let's talk about cost basis. When you buy cryptocurrency, your cost basis is generally determined by how much you pay for it. However, if you receive crypto from mining or staking, your cost basis is determined by the fair market value. So there's a difference there, guys. Your cost basis for gifted crypto will depend on both the basis of the person who transferred it to you had and the fair market value when you received it. So that's why I say that you really want to consult with a professional so they can look at that, right? When you sell your crypto, you can subtract your cost basis from your sale price in order to figure out whether you have a capital gain or a capital loss. If your proceeds exceed the cost basis, you have a capital gain. If not, you have a capital loss. Now, there's some other things here. I'm not going to go into this because I don't want this video to be too long, but there's short-term versus long-term capital gains. There's if you go and dive into all of this thing, the capital gains, capital losses, you will see why you need to really consult with someone that's a professional in the tax space, a CPA, a tax attorney, someone that would be good at telling you what you need to do so you don't get yourself in any trouble with the cryptocurrency, right? It's still pretty much new territory for a lot of people, and everybody's trying to figure this thing out. But guys, I wanted you to know these terms here so that you can understand more about that. Like I said, once again, I'm not a tax advisor. I don't give tax advice, but I wanted to do this video. Somebody's going to probably comment and say, man, you just read through most of the article. Well, I wanted to bring the information because a lot of people apparently haven't looked at the article, because this is one of the topics which I get a lot of questions on. Most of the time I do a presentation, people are asking about tax advice. And one thing that I don't do is give tax advice, but I do want to be one of the people who point you into the direction that you need to go, right? I want to point you in the direction where you can find more information about cryptocurrency and the taxes and everything else that goes along with it, guys. So hopefully, even though this was basically me pointing you to information on the article, that you found this very helpful. Like I said, I will put the article in the description of this video so that you can go in and look at it for yourself. But guys, you know what we're going to do. We're going to invest wisely. We will invest well. We will only invest what we're willing to lose. And you know that we're investing for the opportunity to win. And until the next video, you know what I want you to do? I want you to have an absolutely phenomenal day. Until then, you guys be blessed, and I am out.